How to get rid of beehives. While bees can be quite useful in pollinating the plants in your garden, having beehives near your house can be a real nuisance, and the constant buzzing of nearby bees can keep just about anyone on edge, especially those who have acute allergies to bees. Removing a beehive is not a particularly hard task, but it is a somewhat dangerous one that, if done improperly, can leave you with more than a few sore welts on your arms. Things you will need: insecticide, protective clothing. Locate where the bees are coming from. Often beehives can be found under gutters, inside infrequently used sheds, or nestled in the interior corners of awnings. Dress yourself in clothes that will protect you from bee stings. Multiple layers of sweaters will do the job well, as will denim, as the fabric is dense. Also wear protective gloves and a mask. Spray the insecticide on the bee's nest. Do this during the evening or at night, as the bees will be slower to react, giving you more time to get away from the swarm that will spill out of the nest. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 days to guarantee that as many bees have fled the hive as possible. Remove the beehive. After spraying the hive with insecticide, it is safe to remove the hive with your hands, provided you wear gloves. Once you remove the hive, it is strongly recommended that you destroy it so the bees won't return. Tips: warnings. If you are allergic to bee stings, call a professional beekeeper to handle this procedure. Be sure to wear protective clothing during this process. Not doing so runs the risk of both excessive bee stings and contamination from the insecticide.